Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on VOXEL. In today's video, we will take a look at this big breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and we will also watch this newly formed rising wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share my previous analysis with you. That was a complete trade plan that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 2nd of March when the price line of VOXEL completed this bullish setup. That was a harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move. And I was expecting 25.5% pump from here. And this was, by the way, against the Bitcoin pair. And you can see that the buying zone was from 37.12 and goes to 0.00003474 BTC, and the sell target was from 4047 and goes to 4401. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line rallied even beyond the sell targets. It was moved here at 0.000048. That was more than 37%, approximately 37% pump, and then price line again moved down. Now if we take a look at the US dollar pair, the VOXEL with US dollar pair on the daily time frame chart, then we can see that the price line has already broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern here, and it was retesting the previous resistance of this falling wedge as a support, and now it is likely to gear up from here. But this is very strong resistance we have here at $1.45. You can see previously it has been working as a strong support here and as a strong support here and here as well. Right now this level has turned into a resistance, and if we switch to the small time frame, like on the 1 hourly time frame chart, then we are likely to have another rejection, but the price line is still very close to the resistance. Therefore a probability is very high for the breakout, and you can see that we have already tested the support of the previous wedge as well. That was the previously working as a resistance. Now if we take a look at the stochastic here, then we can see the price line is very much synchronized with the movement of the stochastic. Like for example, here price line moved at the support of this wedge, and the stochastic was oversold. When stochastic turned bullish, price line moved up, rallied up to the resistance, and here we have seen the same action repeated again. This time while we were at the support, the stochastic again entered the oversold zone, and again now it is turning bullish. You can see that we have received this bull cross between the blue and the orange line. There's a buying signal from the oversold zone. Therefore now there is a possibility for the breakout of this resistance of $1.45. On the hourly time frame chart, the situation is a bit critical because it has formed this rising wedge pattern, and for example, because it is a bearish bias pattern, and if the price line breaks down the support of this rising wedge pattern, then it can drop down here at approximately $1.16. And if we take a look at the $1.16, then it can move down again here to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. However, I'm expecting that this time we have received this bull cross. We have already tested the support of this wedge. Therefore, the price line can also break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame, then the final target can be here at the top of the wedge. I'm expecting that we should set our targets here, because here we have very strong resistance at $4.30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.